You possess an Azure Machine Learning workspace and intend to use Azure Machine Learning Python SDK v2 to establish a pipeline component for training an image classification model. The component's execution code resides inside the train method of a file called modeltrain.py. You write code to load necessary packages and save it as train-component.py in the same directory as modeltrain.py. How should you finish the code? Choose the correct options for the answer area.
The options are Option A, Tool, Option B, Pipeline, Option C, Command_Component, Option D, Train, Option E, Model Train, Option F, Train Component. The blanks to fill are at the decorator blank and from blank import train. Let's think about how Azure Machine Learning SDK v2 allows you to build reusable pipeline components using Python. We often define these components by wrapping functions with specific decorators, and we need to reference the correct source modules where our training logic is implemented. In my view, the correct answers are command component for the first blank and model train for the second blank. In Azure Machine Learning SDK v2, to define a component from a Python function, you use the @command component decorator. The execution logic for this component is housed in the train function inside modeltrain.py, which means you need to import the train function by specifying from modeltrain import train.
Therefore, row 0 uses command component, which is option C, and row 1 uses model train, which is option E. The other options do not correctly match the required decorator or the source module containing the execution logic.